Can I please have your full name?
My name is 수연나.
Okay, nice to meet you,
Nice to
Suyeon.
meet you too.
Let's talk a bit about the news. Do you often talk with your friends about the news?
Not really. Because I think I don't like watch news because I think there's a lot of bad news in Korea. So, so that's why I don't want to watch.
Okay. Have you read the news this morning?
No.
Okay. Okay, and how do your friends get the news?
I think from the phone. Yeah. And because we don't, my friends don't usually have TV because they live alone. So we just watch news on the phone.
Okay. How would you find the news if you wanted to look for something?
Oh, YouTube, on YouTube. Yeah.
And then you mentioned that you're not very interested in news? Okay, like, is there specific things that make you not interested in it?
Because every day, YouTube algorithm, yeah, they show me really bad news every day. So that's why I don't want to find.
I see. Let's talk about languages. How are languages taught in your school or when you were back in school?
How?
Yeah, like how did they teach you a second language back in school?
Only grammar from my teacher.
Okay.
I think I never learned about like talking with a foreign teacher. I never learned about that. I just read and learned grammar, something.
Okay. How would you learn a foreign language? Like, what's your opinion about that? Like, how do you learn a foreign language?
I think we need more opportunities to talk with foreign teacher. Yes, because Korean students can speak English at all, I think. Like they can understand everything, but they don't like to speak. So I think we should learn from foreign teacher more.
Okay. What languages would you like to learn in the future?
I love to learn English, so yes, my plan is to go to live in another country because I love English. So, and I want to learn Spanish too.
That sounds good. What languages can you speak?
Only English and Korean.
Okay, that's not bad. Bilingual is good enough. What kind of difficulties would you have when learning a new language?
Vocabulary is the most difficult thing for me because I have to memorize everything. Because if I don't know that meaning, like I can't understand anything at all. So that's language is the most important thing, I think.
Okay. Let's talk about happy things. Let's change our topic up a bit. When do you feel happy at work and why?
At work?
Yeah. Or when you're studying, let's say work or university.
At work, I teach my student in academy.
Okay.
So that's my happiest moment. And at university.
Yeah, sorry, I just thought in case you're not working
Okay.
if you're at university. Okay, so it's when you're teaching your students?
Yes.
Okay, that's a very nice answer. I can relate. What do you think will make you happy in the future?
Maybe living in another country.
Any countries that you have in mind?
USA. I love USA.
Okay. Sounds cool. What's made you happy lately?
Lately, my hobby is soccer.
Okay.
That makes me happy because I love to play it.
Okay, that's very cool. Yeah, let's go on to part 2. I'm gonna give you your topic. You've got 1 minute to prepare and make some notes. I guess since you like soccer, this topic might be easy for you. Describe something you do to keep fit and healthy. Okay, so you can start with your notes. Okay, that's your minute. We can start anytime you're ready.
Something I to do keep it and healthy is soccer because I play soccer every Sunday with my friends, and I think to keep fit and healthy is important. The reason is the research shows that we will be able to live in almost 100 years old. So that's why we have to keep healthy. And I think people have to make their hobbies to keep healthy. So I think I made it. With my friends, I play soccer with my friends. I made my own team because my friends love to play, but they didn't have any place to play soccer. So that's why I made it, and we all love to play soccer because whenever we play it, we don't have to think anything about that make us, how can I say, we don't have to think about that about bad thing that made us really sad or something. So we all chose soccer. Oh, yeah, because of these reasons.
Okay.
Oh, really hard.
No, you made a very good recovery there, so. Moving on, should schools provide physical education to students? Like, why should they do it and how could they do it?
The school has to. Because when I was young, when I was in middle school or high school, our teacher made us like run and like play everything. But nowadays, I heard about that from my student, and they just do like juggling something, and then I think that's not good for their health. I think so. That because of health, we have to move our body really hard. So school. That's why school has to teach like really hard physical or something.
Okay. Could we use technology to keep fit? Could we use technology to keep fit?
Technology? No, I don't think so. I don't need it.
Okay. Could it help us?
No.
Okay. Like by technology, I'm meaning like smartwatches or something like that. Could that help?
I just use it whenever I play soccer, but it doesn't help me.
Okay.
Yeah, I just see like, oh, I ran a lot, something like that, but that doesn't help me.
Okay. Do you think it's good for governments to use celebrities or famous people to build health awareness?
Yes, because a lot of people love celebrities. So, like, if someone likes a celebrity a lot, like, if the person like plays something, and they could play, like they play it like her or him. So it's good.
Okay. Who would you listen to for health advice?
Oh, actually, I do like celebrities, so I just love my friend because she's a trainer, physical trainer. So I learned from her a lot.
How could parents help to keep their kids healthy?
Oh, they should exercise first for their kids, and then because my parents love to exercise, so I've learned from them since I was really young.
Okay. What do people normally do to keep fit in Korea?
They just exercise, but I think the bad thing is they don't eat a lot, like, but I think we have to eat a lot and then we should exercise, but they don't eat and, just exercise a lot to be like really skinny. Yes, that's a bad thing, but exercising is good.
Okay. Is there like a specific type of health focus in Korea? Like, is gymming popular or sports? Which one do you think is most popular here?
Oh, sports?
Playing sports?
Yes.
Okay. How do children and old people keep fit and healthy? Like, what's the difference you would say?
Oh, kids have to do exercise like running or jumping rope, something like that, because of their growth. But old people should make their muscles because of their good health. Because my grandparents, whenever they got older, they couldn't walk, and they were likely to fall down because they don't have muscles on the legs. So that's why they have to make more muscles.
Okay. Do you think the fitness culture is still popular with the older generation?
No.
Okay. Yeah, let's call it. Okay, so now is feedback time. Honestly, there weren't many issues with your speaking. You were fluent most of the time. I didn't have to encourage you too much to talk. You were able to carry the conversation, even if some of the topics maybe were a bit tricky. One or two mistakes with grammar and like using the right form of the word. For example, instead of saying watching, you said watch. There was another one, like using maybe to make their muscles. Like that phrase, I could understand what you mean, but maybe if it was to say to take care of their muscles, it would make a little bit more sense in the context that you were using. Something else, here and there's some pronunciation issues. Like I think it was vocabulary. That was the word that you had a little bit of a struggle with. But otherwise, I didn't pick up too many grammar mistakes. Your vocabulary was pretty decent, I would say. So if I had to grade you, I would say 6.5. I think the only places where we could work on maybe is trying to expand your answers a little bit. Like in the test setting, one of the criteria is you have to try and keep talking. Try to give like detailed answers. So maybe in some cases for what do people normally do to keep fit in Korea? With that question, maybe you could have talked a bit about the trends like these days, or yeah, I'd say going to the gym and like bodybuilding, body profile, those sorts of things are very popular. Like if you could add that onto your answer, that would improve like your fluency score. So those things would help you. Maybe if you can do those things, the few small mistakes that you made, if you can work on that, you could easily get like a 7.
Okay.
So no, overall very positive.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's one of those cases you didn't make too many mistakes for me to correct. It's just talk a little bit more. That's the best advice I could give you in this case.
Okay.
So yeah, thank you very much.
You.